Hello and welcome to Country Outback Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to take a simple glass and add some clay design to the glass to enhance it. So today we are going to work with part 3 of how I applied the sealer and the paint to make it look antiqued. So first off, what you do is you apply your multi-purpose sealer and allow that to dry at least 24 hours, or you can hair dry it, which I did previous to this, so we weren't drying this entire step. But as you can see, you can place this clay on any bottles, any kind of buckets, flower pots, whatever your imagination is. So, after applying the clear all multi-purpose sealer, I then applied my DIY little black dress. When applying, make sure that you get into every crevice. This part is going to be a little time consuming, but as you apply your entire piece with whatever color you would prefer, again, make sure that you get on the underside, around the edges on the top and the bottom, so those don't stick out as white. But again, when you wipe it back, a lot of the paint that you're wiping back will hide any little spots of white that you did miss at the time. As you apply the black, I'm going to hair dry here so I can flip this piece over so I can show you that I applied the black to both sides. Once you let it dry with the hair dryer, you might want to let it cool down a little bit before you start to wipe back your project. Sometimes the heat makes it warm and wipes back a little more than you would like taken off of the clay. Again, just make sure that you get in every little crack and the entire piece gets covered. I'm just stepping away for a minute to air dry it with a hair dryer. Again, this clay you can apply on anything. You can apply it on a picture frame, a glass frame, buckets, anything. Just have to use your imagination and go with it. Once I've finished drying the one side, I have flipped it over and I have started to do the other side. Again, make sure you fill in any little white pieces or the entire piece so that just the black is showing on the entire piece. Once I have applied the entire piece with my black, I then take a disposable washcloths, wet wipes, and start to wipe back on the black. As you see here, I am filling in a couple of the spots that I had missed. Now, at this point, you will take your wet wipe or a wet rag and you will start to wipe back the black. You will rub back to reveal the white. Any paint or anything that got onto the glass will just wipe right off. I had used clay-based paint, so it is removable. Once you start to wipe back on the black, you will start to reveal the white from the clay, and the antiquing finish or highlighting into all of the crevices with the black will start to reveal and stand out. Again, everybody has their own preference. You may not want to wipe back all the black because you like what it shows for yourself, but everybody has their own, design that they'd like to see. So I like to wipe back as much black off of it as possible because it reveals the piece so much more. But again, everybody can use their own judgment and decide what design they would like, more black, less black. Once you get to a point that you really, really like, just take a clean damp cloth and just wipe it back so you can see the white a lot more and it's not so smudgy. I will show the final piece and how I decorate it once I'm finished, but I'm not going to reveal and do both sides. I just wanted everybody to get an idea on how easy and how simple this is to do. But once it is all done, I like to put one more coat of the multi-purpose sealer over it so that it will remain like this and it can always be wiped and cleaned back. But I'm hoping you enjoyed my 3-part series on how to do this, and I hope to see, many how you all designed it or how anybody else created one. If you could please leave your pictures or photos in the comments, I would love to see the designs that y'all made. And please, I'm going to try to make as many videos or ideas that I have and share them with y'all on my page at Country Outback Crafts, which is also on Facebook. Anyone that wants to leave a message or has any questions, please also leave those in the comments below. And again, just continue to wipe however you like it. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And again, I'm new at this, so I hopefully continue to do many, many more videos. So with that, thank you, and I hope everyone has a great day, and I hope this helps you make some beautiful designs. Enjoy.